Hey guys, it's Nathina Antoinette. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I purchased some hair from UNice from Amazon, and I am just going to, unbox it, take y'all through the whole wig making process and all of that with me. I got a 16-inch frontal and 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles. So one frontal and 3 bundles, and I will put all of the information plus a coupon code in the description for you guys. As you saw, I did sniff the hair to make sure it didn't have that weird Funyun factory toe chip smell, and it does not. And here is the frontal. The frontal and the bundle curl pattern matches perfectly. It's been a few times that I've gotten closures and frontals and they did not quite match with the bundle, so I was very happy about that. This hairline is very, very pretty. I am going to tweeze it a little bit more and bleach the knots as well. I'm not gonna do too much plucking, but just enough, because as you can see, it's like a line of demarcation from where the top of the hairline is plucked, and then it's like the rest. So I'm gonna do a little bit more plucking, and that's about it. So from here, I'm just doing, making my really thick pasty mixture so I could bleach my knots and all that. And then after I rinse, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of me plucking. I'm just parting out the already thin portion of the hairline, and then I'm just going through and I'm going to pull. I feel like pulling with my fingers is a lot faster. I don't want it to be super thin because I want it to still look natural or whatever. And so I'll show you guys the difference from this side after pulling versus the other side that I did not pull. I did go through and I pulled a little bit more just at the very, very edge of the hairline, but I did not show you guys that part. But I used the same exact method. I just grabbed a few pieces of hair with my fingers and plucked, and you can see how thick it is on that side versus the other side. And now I'm just laying my frontal, and from here I'm just gonna sew. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I don't feel like I really need to talk through this next part. So I will check back in shortly. When I do my wigs, I like to sew from left to right. I don't know if that's because I'm left-handed or what, but it's just easier for me to just, start from left to right, line by line, like you're reading basically. And I do cut my wefts. I don't worry about shedding, because if you get decent quality hair, shedding is not, it should not be an issue if your hair is of good quality. So I'm just showing you guys like how close my wefts was. It was pretty quick, but I don't leave too much space in between my wefts because I like for my wigs to be nice and full. And I just went ahead and cut that excess cap off. And this is the finished product. I did go ahead and do a custom color on this wig. I am in the process of recording that for you guys. But I understand a lot of people, simply cannot make their own wigs or don't want to. So I will have these available so that you guys can order. I love the fullness of this hair. I have to have my big hair now because I have my big locks, and so I can't have the lumps and bumps, and so the nice waves will alleviate that problem for me. So I love this hair. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a good custom color, and I will show you guys how I melt it down and all of that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And yeah, be sure to like, share, and comment.